Good morning, everyone. Let's continue chapter number 22, The World in My Home. Why the difference? It is 7 o'clock in the evening. Pratibha is hurrying home from her friend's house. Her brothers Sandeep and Sanjay are busy playing round the corner with their friends. They are in no hurry to go home. Even if they are late, nobody will scold them. Hurrying means to move quickly. So, in this story, it is 7 o'clock in the evening and Pratibha is hurrying. Hurrying means to move quickly. Hurrying to go home from a friend house. Her brothers Sandeep and Sanjay are busy in playing with their friend and they are not in hurry to go home because even they are late, nobody will scold them. Is there a different rule for boys and girls? At 7 o'clock evening, her brother are allowed to play outside but she has to go home early. Otherwise, parents will scold her. Pratibha says this is wrong. Boys and girls are same. They should have the same set of rules. So Pratibha thinks that this is not fair. Why should there be one rule for her and another for her brother? But what can she do? Pratibha thinks that this is not fair. Boys and girls should have a same rule. If her brother are allowed to play at night, why this rule is not for her? Pillow Auntie. One day, Pillow Auntie took Pali and Nazu and their friend to the beach. What a good time they had. They played in sand and water and then went for a ride on a giant wheel. After that, they ate bhel puri and bought balloon. Then everybody enjoyed some icy cold coffee. So, here is a picture of a giant wheel. It is also known as Ferris wheel. It is giant rotating wheel that can carry people. When the kulfi seller asked for money, he made a mistake. He charged for 5 kulfis instead of 7. The children thought, "Hooray, we have saved money." But Pillow Auntie paid the money for 7 kulfis to the kulfi seller. The children will also remember when the Pillow Auntie did that day. So, what did Pillow Auntie do that the children will always remember? Pillow Auntie was very an honest lady. Even though the kulfi seller made a mistake, Pillow Auntie did not cheat him and paid the correct money for 7 kulfis. The children learn this from Pillow Auntie that we should remain honest in all situations. Pillow Auntie. Pillow Auntie took Pali, Nazu and their friends to beach. They played on the beach, went for a ride on a giant wheel. They ate bhel puri, enjoyed icy cold kulfi. Kulfi seller made a mistake in charging money. He took money only for 5 kulfis instead of 7. But Pillow Auntie was honest. She called the kulfi seller and paid the remaining money. Now let's start written work. True or false? We should quarrel over watching TV program? That is false. After match, Anil invited everybody to drink water? That is true. Akshay's grandmother instructed him not to drink or eat at Anil's house? That is true. There should be no discrimination between boys and girls? That is true. The football match was played near Anil's house? That is false. We should be aware of good or bad touch? That is true. Now come question and answers. Who was quarreling in Marita's family and why? Everybody such as Susan, mummy, daddy and auntie were quarreling in Marita's family over watching TV. Finally, what had decided by daddy? Finally, everyone had to watch the football match. Who was hurrying to reach home? Pratibha was hurrying to reach home from her friend's house. What mistake was made by the kulfi seller? The kulfi seller charged for 5 kulfis instead of 7. Why were the children happy? The children were happy because they thought that they have saved 7 rupees from the kulfi seller. What did Pillow Auntie do? Pillow Auntie paid the money for 7 kulfis to the kulfi seller.